Hello everyone and welcome to Automotive History through Diecast. I was messing around in my diecast area and I got one of these new Ford Raptor Hot Wheel Red Editions, or Matchbox Red Editions. And I didn't like the wheels on it, so I thought I'd change them. And they look so cool, and I have like 3 of them, I'm not sure, so I figured I'd record it and let you guys vote on it. So we have these plastic red lip black rims. So obviously the best, or the most likely one, is going to be these red ones. They're all red. I think they look really sweet. It does roll, not the greatest, but it does roll. But I think that makes a huge difference. Raises the truck up. I thought the Matchbox ones were too small. So it raises the truck up and puts real riders on it. So the next ones I got would be, the next typical, I would think, would be white, since there's white graphics on the truck. So if I put these white ones on, so that's cool. I don't think it's cool as the red, but it's still cool to have real riders on it. Excuse me. And lastly, what I chose was something completely different. I don't know why I chose these, but I kind of like the way it looks. But I'm not sure if I like it more than the red. And of course it fell on the ground. Give me a second to find it. There it is. Sorry. Almost done. So my last option is these gold ones. It doesn't really go, but it kind of does. Something about it I like. So like I said, just a quick video. Give me your opinion. Which one do you like best? Do you like one but you don't like the white letters? Maybe you would turn the tires around. Just thought it'd be kind of fun. Give me your opinion. Let me know. Alright, I'll see you on the next one.